Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. I just walked up the stairs. I'm a little out of breath, a wee bit winded. Today we're doing a college week of my life. It's my second week of college this week. We're really starting to like get things going, you know. It's the week where like you actually have to start learning things. Yikes. This is my outfit. My room's a little messy. I need to clean it. I have to leave for class in like 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. Oh, I need to plug my computer in. It's the worst thing about using technology. I always forget to plug it in. I have a super busy week this week, and it's actually the weekend of like Labor Day. We have Monday off next week, so it's gonna be like a fun weekend. Let's go back to my to-do list. The issue is I didn't do any of this because I forgot to make breakfast. I always like meal prep like in a little egg bite thing. I forgot to do that, so then I didn't get to do any of these. And I meant to ship out these orders, and then I literally forgot. I did that. Woo! Oh, I did that. Woo! I'm about to do that. Should I just check it off? No, let's just wait. Ah, drop the pen. I'm trying to think of what I need to do. I guess I can just like pick up my room really quickly.
Thought she felt the way I did, but she don't. It's cool, I'm not mad. Flip phone back in 07.
Off to class.
Texted, meet me after class. Stood there, waiting by my locker. Go in and out of my head. She came up to me and said it. Let's just be friends. It was just a crush.
Back home now. I actually have a meeting really soon. I really don't want to go to it, but I said I would. It's just like a virtual like conference call. I made this salad really quickly because my meeting was like very quickly after I got home. It's just like spinach, like arugula, like spring mix, chicken, feta, and then like walnuts and balsamic dressing. Normally I put strawberries in this, but I like they were moldy. Wah, wah. I'm going to get ready for this meeting. Thought I would sit at my desk to look a little more professional, and I eat my salad while we wait. Good though. Ah! Oh, dang it. Hello.
You good?
So set up the camera and like everything. I set it up and then I like, you know, sit back down to like talk to you guys. I was like, oh, I'll just like jump into my seat. This seat, like, I don't know if you guys can see it, like, ooh, like, do you see how it like is off the ground? Like, I almost wiped out. I had the call and then I was like vlogging right after, and then my manager called me right after so we could like brief on like what the call was and if I was like fine with it. But I actually really, I'm out of focus. I actually had a really great time in the call. It was like very educational and I'm like pumped for it. I changed into sweatpants too. Yay. I have a few things that I need to do. So this weekend, like I said, it's Labor Day weekend and I'm just going out of town. We're like driving a few hours. I was told that I was not allowed to bring a suitcase, so I'm gonna go to Target and buy a duffel bag. I also need to ship out my to-do list orders because I was gonna do them this morning and then I literally forgot the bag of all of them, so I was like, well, it's no big deal, I can just do it now. I'm like, at my to-do list, what else do I have to do today? I have so many packages in the leasing office that I need to pick up. I went to the leasing office and I was standing there for like a while, and by a while I mean like literally 2 minutes because I got impatient and like I could hear someone but I didn't want to be like, hello. Why is this not focusing on me? This is driving me insane. I guess we'll just talk this close. I have a ton of my things that I can finish decorating my room with in the leasing office, and I need to— why will you not focus on this camera? The death of me. Maybe it is focused and I'm just like am a little like bad of vision. Like, am I out of focus or am I just blurry? And by blurry, I mean I think I am out of focus. About to drop off the to-do list orders. Going to Target. This is one option we have. It's the more expensive option. It reminds me a lot of like Shay Mitchell's brand. Like, this is literally called the Weekender bag, and that's exactly what Shay Mitchell's, like, what is it, base or whatever? I mean, this is not as cute in person, I will admit. There is a cheaper option in like a different aisle, so we're gonna go check that out. Let's go see if there's Reese's pumpkins. Last time I was here, there was no Reese's pumpkins. Major disappointment. There's only costumes, no candy. No, not candy. I don't want a costume, I want candy. That's all I care about. A Reese's pumpkin. The Target Circle app says it's in this aisle, but I don't see it. Okay, everything else is sold out. I am kind of annoyed that I'm spending this much money on a duffel bag, and it's not even like the super nice like Shay Mitchell one. I looked at that one online and that one's only $20 more, and it's so much nicer. It won't be here in time. I'm a little annoyed about that. Who is traveling so much? Everything is gone. I've been literally craving Chipotle all day. I need to stop eating out, but Chipotle. Let's do an unboxing haul of my Amazon orders. Look at all my packages. When the guy brought them all out, I was like, and everyone in the leasing office was like, oh no, there was another one. Found it. Also, I'm sweating through my shirt. I'll link all these down below. Please don't judge my shopping addiction. I go through phases where I'm like, I need it. Oh, it was a steamer. I bought a steamer because mine was broken and I never really cared about steaming my clothes until recently. Also, I feel like I need to steam like my curtains and my bed skirt because those are so wrinkled. I bought new blackout curtains. Oh, and then I got these lights. They're like remote control light for my sconces because my sconces, I thought they were supposed to be sticky. What? Like, stop it. It won't close. My sconces, the lights won't work on them. I cut a wire. If you hear that noise, the washing machine's on. I thought there was a person and I was like, I'm ready to defend myself more. Oh. The reason I'm opening them down here is because I don't want to bring them upstairs. Also, this is my living room. I don't think I've shown it to you guys yet. It's not done. Oh, yes. I'm so excited for this. I got this brush. It is I heard they're called like boar bristle brushes or something like that. These are supposed to be really good for like those like sleeked back buns, because the ones that I've been doing, like you could see like the comb lines and it drives me insane. I also bought some pillowcases for some Euro shams that I got. I have a feeling they're in this big one. I wanted a new purse. Like I wanted one of those you can just like put here. So it's like a white fake crocodile. Okay, now going on into the big box, our last box. I have to bring all this stuff upstairs. I got 2 Euro shams for my bed because I felt like it needed, like, I don't know. I'm doing a whole video. You guys will probably have seen this already, that I'm doing like a whole decorating video. That is my home. That is not a box that I got. That's for a group project. Now I have boxes everywhere. My life.
It wasn't love. I sat alone on the bus, and I know what the reason was. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut.
Happy Tuesday. I stopped vlogging yesterday because I was in such a bad mood, and I feel like I pride myself on the fact that I don't filter myself in front of you guys, but I was so angry yesterday that I was like, we're not filming this. I'll tell you guys why I was angry. How about that? Me not filtering myself. I feel like I overshare with you guys way too much, but I'm like, I found out someone lied to me about something that can't even say that word, infuriated me. So angry about that I was lied to. And then I thought I broke 2 of my toes because I fell hanging my curtains. It was a no. I'll show you guys my outfit today. I can't tell if I hate it or love it. This like long short trend, I think these might be like a little long, you know? I can't tell if I feel like a 12-year-old boy in the 90s or if I feel like a fashionable girl in 2021. I can't tell. They're from Zara. You can also like roll them, you know, make them look shorter and stuff. The shirt's from Goodwill. My necklace is H&M. My one ring and earrings, Amazon. My room is a little bit of a mess again because of all the things that I did yesterday. Why did I say it like that? I'm gonna shut up. Curtains, can't even see it. These prints, they're like slightly uneven. My perfectionism is like, rah! These lights, I also put lights in them. They're so vibey. When all my lights are off and just these sconces are on, the vibes. And then I also have these pillows. I think my room is done. I don't know. Will she ever be done? Probably not. I'm just kind of like in a mood right now. I just sent a really long text to the person that lied to me. Now I'm gonna make my daily to-do list because there's a lot of things that I didn't do yesterday because I was in such a bad mood that I couldn't. I just put my life on pause and I was like, I am going to eat Reese's pumpkins and feel better. Now I need to make my daily to-do list and put all the things I didn't do yesterday on, and I'm kind of annoyed that I'm doing it today. Whatever.
Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Shallow, like stepping in the ocean. Who knew she would do me like that? Young heartbreak, never saw it coming.
There's so many things that I could be doing right now, but I'm not. I'm gonna leave for class. My class starts in literally over an hour, but here I am. A fun fact about me is I never relaxed ever. That TikTok sound was made for me.
Say that she wanted me back up.
Back home now, need to get to work. I've learned that I really like Abercrombie jeans, so I ordered some. They didn't come in the mail yet, but like they separated the packages. They have these are called the Sunday shorts. You guys always ask me about them. I got this color, so cute. Definitely size down though. I'm gonna wear them instead of these jeans to be comfy. I'm so excited.
Sends me a semicolon in parentheses, acting like I don't have a memory. These girls bounce back, mama said to me. I
don't know why I'm holding my ring instead of wearing it. I have a few things on my to-do list that I've put on my to-do list every day for the past like week-ish. Still haven't done them. It's literally like go return something and I'm like, no. Do I want to? No. I didn't finish everything, but I got a lot done. And I'm kind of hitting a wall, so I'm like, I should just be done. I'll just be easy on myself. I'll do better tomorrow. And then I think that every day. I'm still working. I'm still in bed. I refuse to get out of bed. I'm actually watching Lauren's videos on my YouTube friend. Lauren, if you're watching this, love you. Lauren and I, for the past like, I don't even know how many days this has been going on, we've just been sending like Snapchat videos. Like look at this. Like this is just like all we've been, it's like FaceTiming but without like right back responses. Okay, I'm sad. I had my like lights on. I was gonna show you guys how vibey they are, but then that one fell. So that's not good. I need to fix that. Look at how vibey these are. I literally closed my curtains. I was watching Friends and then I like paused it to watch Lauren's video, but I was doing work while I was doing this. Put the light back. I knew it was gonna fall. Dang it. I think I'm gonna do a little room pickup just because literally my bra is on the floor. She just needs to be cleaned a little bit.
It's just a crush. It wasn't love. I sat alone on the bus. I know what.
Okay, besties, here's the tea. If we recall my haul, I bought this hairbrush. Sucks. I literally can't even get my hair on it. Like I brush my hair and it doesn't even like comb my hair. Like it doesn't even move my hair. It just kind of like touches it. This one, I bought a brush just like it, but this one has like little pokey things. This one's great, but the whole reason I bought it was because I wanted it to smooth out my hair and not have like those like lines. Okay, well actually maybe it's doing a good job. No, you can still see the bumpies. I hate them all.
The reason was, it was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut.
I'm waiting for my bus and it's such a beautiful day. Like it's not even that hot because it rained last night, so it's like only like in the high 90s, which like is like 20 degrees cooler than it normally is. I'm just like walking around. I always hear people talk about Discovery Hall, but I've never actually been in it. Should I go in it? Yep, people are just realizing that I'm like talking to myself. Awkward. Look at all the words on here. I have to be careful because I don't want to film anyone. I try so hard not to. Well, the sun has come out, so I jinxed it. It's hot, not enjoying it. This is a cool building. I hate that like being a senior, I don't really know where anything is. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but especially like the last year and a half. You can see my reflection. Hello. Happy Wednesday. I really did not say that to you guys yet. I got this hat in the mail today though. Yeah, I kind of was just like in a go mood this morning. Didn't really vlog. Went to class. Oh my gosh. I have a group project and it's 4 people. 2 of them I know. One's me. And the other person was like a random person that wasn't there for class that day. And they were like, okay, get into your group. The 2 people that I know, gone. The 1 person that joined our group, no idea who he was. And the thing that we were supposed to be doing, deciding what we're gonna work on, like what our project's gonna be about. And I was like, there is no way that I can do this on my own. I'm eating a pumpkin. I'm about to go get coffee with my friend and work. I was trying to do a peace sign, but I ended up flipping you guys off. And we're off to go pick up Tori. Ignore the messy room. Look at the rainbow lights. Ah. Do you want to be in it or no? Oh, it looks so cool because like the lights over there. I was gonna throw this at you. Do it.
Yo, remember when we spanned the bottle? Said I got them locks just like a model. You're my yesterday, thought you'd be my tomorrow. Motorola in my pocket, used to blow it up. I told you stop it, I don't want it. Crank that Soldier Boy and watch me wobble. Flip.
Literally just got home from coffee like 5 seconds ago. Oh no. I have a group project and it starts, or like a group project meeting. It starts in 4 minutes and like the link will not send to myself. This is frustrating. Ah! Oh, got it. Booyah. I haven't said that in forever. But coffee was super fun. Do you guys hear this rain? Oh my gosh, it's also thundering so loud, but of course it stops right as I turn the camera on. It's raining so hard. Hi besties, good morning, happy Thursday. Bringing the hat back today. Look at my cute outfit. Wait. Casual outfit for today. I'm actually leaving today for out of town, so this will be like the last day of the vlog, but right now I'm making breakfast. I think I broke it. Normally I like meal prep my breakfast and I just make like little egg bites, but I ate them yesterday. I was a little hungry. So we'll just make some fresh ones.
White socks, sat down, barber shop, hairline.
Egg bites are done. Eating them now. I was watching my favorite YouTuber right now. Her name's Tara. I was watching her vlog. I realized that she's got me obsessed with so many things. Like I'm obsessed with like egg bites because of her, because she's obsessed with egg bites. So good. It kind of made me think like, have I got... Whoa. That was a spice. That was a lot of spice. It made me wonder, I'm like, did I get anyone obsessed with anything? And then I kind of like reeled it back in, and I was like, every time I see her video in my subscription page, box, whatever, I don't even know, I get so excited. I immediately click on it. Like, she's like the only person that I like, besides my YouTube friends, watch every single one of her videos. And then I was like, I wonder if there's someone out there that like does that for me. And this is not me trying to be like a pick me girl, like, do you like me? Tell me you like me. Tell me how I've changed your life. Because no, that's not what I am meaning. But it just kind of was like, maybe someone feels the way about me that I feel about her. And I was like, what? I have this ongoing theory. None of you guys actually exist, and it's just my mom making a ton of accounts, pretending to be a ton of people to make me feel better about myself. And then when like the to-do list, like I sold them, I was like, these are actual real people. Like, my mom cannot come up with this many fake people. And that kind of blew my mind. And I did cry about it because I was like, there's people that like me enough to buy something that I created. Okay, I'm gonna stop this conversation because I'm gonna cry. We don't need the tears on a Thursday morning. We need the egg bites. And we need a new battery for the camera. Go into class, my laptop's at 1%. Wish me luck.
Mom says I look handsome.
I am stressed. I got home from school and then I ate lunch really quickly, and then I ran to go to an appointment. I actually got my brows done at Benefit Cosmetics Brow Bar in Ulta. I'm doing a sponsorship with them like on Instagram, and so I went there and I just had like the best experience ever. This video isn't even sponsored, but they were incredible. I literally stayed there for an hour and a half after I got my brows done and just talked to the people because they were just so friendly, and I just had such a great experience. So these are my brows. They're filled in and like I have no makeup on, so they might look a little bit darker. I need to edit that sponsorship, and my Final Cut Pro is not loading, and that's what I use to edit my videos. But they gave me some product that precisely my brow pencil, that's what he used today. I think I'm gonna start using it more often. My Final Cut is now working, and we are now in crunch mode because I'm leaving tonight to go on my little Labor Day trip, so I need to like get everything done. I'm not even done packing. They also gave me this guy Blade Tint, which I actually don't have this one. He said it was amazing. And then I actually don't have this either, the moisturizing lip balm. This is in 55 Nude Pink. It was beautiful. They were just like the friendliest people ever. I had the best experience. I want to go there, like I said, all the time. Now I'm about to edit this footage. I have so much. Oh my gosh. No, is my airdrop not gonna work? Let me edit. Just finished editing the video. Now I need to shower and finish packing. I'm in such a time crunch. I'm kind of freaking out a little bit. Okay, I think I finished everything that I need to do. I really hope I did. Tiny bit stressed, but whatever. I guess we'll figure it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys loved it. I know that I'm not vlogging Friday. Sorry about that. I have a ton of other college videos if you want to check them out. So subscribe, stick around. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!